Hi guys, I am Saad Aslam, and in this video I am going to show you how you can configure Google reCAPTCHA configuration in your website. I am making this website on request of my batch fellow Hassan Farooq. So now moving on to our Google Chrome. In Google Chrome you have to type Google reCAPTCHA. When you type Google reCAPTCHA, you can click on My reCAPTCHA, and when you click on, this site will appear. Here is the list of my recent reCAPTCHA sites. To create a new one, simply go to label, and here I type new and select reCAPTCHA v2, and for domain I am using localhost. uh, Accept the reCAPTCHA terms of services, send alerts to owners now, and then register. After registering, here are some details. I will use these details in my code. Now going to my code editor, Sublime Text. Here I have written some basic HTML code. The basic HTML structure we have. I go to Google and checked it localhost captcha. Here captcha is my folder which I have made in my C XAMPP folder. htdocs is the folder name. So now we can see that there is a simple form and a submit button. There's nothing here else. Now move to for this, copy this script here, control C, and then move to code editor and paste it below the body. Then move to this div part, control C for copy, and then paste it below our required portion where we can type text, and above the submit button, control S for save. Then go to Google and again reload it. It is taking some time reloading. Localhost captcha, it's taking, why it is taking much time? It hasn't, uh, there's some mistake in my Google captcha dev script, and why it is not loading my. There was some network error. When I resolved that network error. So now again localhost captcha, and now you can see there is a box including reCAPTCHA. When I click on this, we will configure that some selections. Select all vehicles, so then select next. I haven't included all, then sidewalk. So it has clicked on it, send request. It do nothing because I haven't applied some PHP code here. So now move to my code editor and I start PHP code, and here I type if is set underscore dollar underscore post submit. It means when the user clicks on the submit button, then this code will run. Then go to this side, and here we need these three attributes: secret, response, and remote IP, and also we need URL. So now make these variables in our code. For making these variables, underscore secret underscore dollar response, and dollar remote IP, and URL. Now move to our the captcha Google and simply copy this text and then move to code editor and paste it in our secret, and then response, copy this area, copy, and then move to response variable. And for remote IP, I have missed something. uh, I need underscore post, means whenever this data comes from our post, underscore post, this data will come from our post. And underscore, for remote IP I will use underscore server, underscore server, and remote address ATTR. I'm basically making this video on the basis that you have some basic knowledge of PHP. Then I need file, get contents, and then for this move to and URL, select this URL, control C and paste it in here, and apply some double quotes, and then question mark secret is equals to underscore secret, and response is equals to dollar response. I'm response, and I and with and remote IP is equals to dollar remote IP. Secret is equal to secret, and response is equals to underscore dollar response, and remote IP is equals to remote IP. And then I will store this URL in our result variable. What is result variable? I am applying some JSON decode and underscore URL comma another argument that is true. Whenever this result is true, this will store in the our result. Here I am applying another if condition. If underscore result success is equals to 1, when the result is equals to 1, then this if condition will run. This whole area is justifying that we have configured all the right decisions. We have made all the right decisions in our reCAPTCHA. Then this result will if condition will run. Here I am equals underscore dollar post. I will echo this request, which I will write in the form req to check whether our code has run successfully. Now save and go to Google reCAPTCHA. Now again load, simply localhost. This it is taking some time to load. Basically my internet speed is low, so here you can see that my internet speed has now gone. So after making this internet working, I will, after my internet access is now available, I reload the page, and now I type some swat and click on this. This is a fire hydrant. Select another, there is another, no, verify Oh, connection lost. Again reload. So there is some disturbance in my local connection, so it is making it disturbing vehicles. I don't know. Select. Oh, but verify. Verify. Oh, this internet connection is disturbing much. Hello. There were some network issues. I have resolved my network issue and I have resumed it again. Now moving on, I can type ASD, click on this, and here are some pictures. Storefront. Here the storefront, here, and if this I don't know, it this this picture isn't showing. What is this picture? This is the source front. Pictures are coming. They are not. uh, Verify. I resume. Next. What does next? Oh, some signs. It is not verifying. I, I am unable to cars 1, 2, 3, 4. I am not 5. It is playing a game with me. 5. Another car. I am not seeing any car. Oh, this is one more. Now verify. Now send request. Now here is my text echo. This means our code which I have written here has run successfully, means all our attributes which are in this result saved in the result. This result if condition has now run, and this required which I have written echo means our request has been printed on the side. So all this eCAPTCHA has been configured successfully. You can configure it according to your website. I hope this tutorial. So now again, I hope this tutorial find you in best of. Here's my some of my contact details, my WhatsApp account, my email, my Facebook and blog. Happy coding and see you in my next tutorial.